Hello friends, this is a 2007 Mazda 6. You might recognize it from one of my first videos. And it was actually brought back in this weekend, traded in for another vehicle as an upgrade. And so I got to go in and detail it today. Now, there's a reason I'm doing the floor mats on this video. Last week I joined a couple of Facebook groups for detailers, and my hope was that I could learn from some of the veteran detailers in this group. What I found was every button that I have being pushed, it took everything I had not to go off in the comments. The newbies, they can't ask a simple question without being attacked. It's insane. Is that really what the detailing community wants to portray? And the administrators of these groups did nothing. Absolutely nothing. So these people make their posts. And one young man made a post. He's new to detailing. He doesn't have anything to detail stuff with. He doesn't have much, I should say. But he has a shop vac. Or no, he didn't have a shop vac. He had one of those little handheld vacuums. And he had some cleaner. And he asked in his post, how would you detail floor mats if you don't have these fancy machines? Well, first of all, I'm new to the business and I don't have these fancy machines. The machines that I have are pretty basic, and they actually belong to my dad. And my dad says, go ahead and use what you need. So I'm using it. I'm actually doing outside details as well with the same equipment. Here at the car lot, I don't have the resources available to me that a lot of other people might have. I do not have a power washer. I don't even have a garden hose or a water spigot I can connect to. I have to carry around milk jugs filled with water in order to have some water. So in order to get floor mats detailed, I have a shop vac vacuum. I have a hand brush. I use turtle wax carpet and mat foam, the cleaner, and in my spray bottle I have 1 ounce of OxiClean gel, which it's OxiClean stain remover gel, and you can get it at your grocery store in the laundry soap aisle. And I put 1 ounce in the bottle, and I fill the rest with water, and then I put 2 drops of Dawn dish soap in that bottle. That concoction has made all the difference in the world with all of the carpet and mats that I've had to deal with. So I'm not venturing away from it because it works. Detailing, when you don't have the resources available to you, can still be done. Yes, it takes extra work. It takes extra time. We get it. But at the end of the day, when we're just starting out, we have to put in that hard work. We have to put in that extra time. It's a learning process. And in the end, I'm going to make a video like this because I'm ranting, because the veteran detailers don't seem to think that it's okay to just give this kid some tips. Is that really what we want to be? I took myself out of those 2 groups. I don't want to be a part of any group that would allow veteran detailers to come down hard on newbies who are just trying to learn. They're just trying to gather information, just like myself. But I don't need to learn from a group of people like that. These floor mats turned out really nice. It's not hard for us to give a little bit. And it's not hard, and it absolutely costs nothing to be nice and just say, hey, here's a way you can do it. It's a little bit more work. It might take you 20 minutes, which is usually what it takes me for these. But today it took 35 minutes. I've been working my butt off on details for the last 3 days and my back was hurting. So I was a little slow today. But you know what? That's okay. Because everybody's going to have bad days. And my day was today. I was sore, but I knew I had a job to do. For the newbies, just keep working at it. Keep going. I keep telling myself that every single day. And if I had to give you any advice, I'd get the hell out of those groups. If you're on Facebook groups, they gotta go. They're going to do nothing but tear you down. That was nothing but egotistical craziness. It was chaos. And that is not something that we need when we're out here trying our darndest to figure out a job and figure out how to do business, bring in customers, and really put forth our hard work. And to see it unappreciated like that, you can do your detailing without the fancy equipment. I've done it. I do my best at it every single day. If you're new out there, I'm not in a position to teach you how to do anything. I've only been doing this for 3 months. Just under 3 months, actually. But I am in a position to be nice. And this is the best tip that I have to offer. My floor mats today came out really nice. Are they perfect? No. Did they take a lot of hard work? You bet. But at least I can look back on them and be proud of the fact that they came out pretty nice, and I had to do some hard work in order to get that. I used to tell my kids, if you're failing, that means you're trying. And I still tell them that today when they run into life's problems. And it doesn't change for detailers, especially us newbies. If we fail at something, it meant we were actually trying. So keep trying. Keep going at it. Get out there every single day. Don't let yesterday's mistake or yesterday's extra hour take you down. Just keep going, because you're going to make it. I got to tell myself I'm going to make it, and I know I will. I'm 50 years old, and I'm trying my best to change careers. I love to detail, but don't let that other egotistical crap take you down. I hope everybody has a wonderful, wonderful week and a great weekend. If you'll take a minute to like and comment and subscribe, I would love to have you. And just a little note, thank you so much for listening to me rant. I needed to get it off of my chest. We'll see you all on the next one. See you later.